Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add international shipping to your Shopify store. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Shopify store. And now when you're on the home page of Shopify, click onto settings, bottom left hand corner of your page. And you need to find where it says shipping and delivery, so click into that. Alright, so what we need to do from here, we need to create a new profile for custom shipping rates. So add custom rates or destination restrictions for groups or products. So go ahead and click on create new profile. So where it says here shipping origins, click on where it says shipping zones, create zone. Go ahead and click onto that. So from here you want to give this a zone name. So I'm going to call this international shipping, and then choose all the countries where you'd like to ship to, international shipping. So if you want to do all, just highlight that, or if you just want to do a few like Denmark, Canada, Belgium, Finland, yada yada yada, click on done once you've done all that. So I'm going to do that now. And if you want to double check your countries, go ahead and click on show all, and then show less if you don't want to see all the countries there. And as you can see, there's no rates. Customers in this zone won't be able to complete checkout. So we need to fix this. So what you need to do is click on add rate under that. And now this is where you want to set the price. So I'm going to set this to 50 and then click on done. And now you can see it is all set up. And from here you want to click on to save. Oh, to create this profile, one change is required. I need to give this a name, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. There we go, I've given this profile a name, and now I'm going to click on save again. And success, that has been added. International shipping has been added to the store. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.